Oh, hello everyone. Welcome to today's London Open. Apologies to London. This is how we do lockdown in Australia. Reserve Bank of Australia has already met, but they're announcing the results of their meeting in about an hour and a half. Australia is in this funny position of having a very strong economy, very low COVID rates, still having very good contact tracing and lockdowns though. This is lockdown, Sydney style. We've had massive government stimulus like other places in the world, and we've had massive Reserve Bank stimulus by way of interest rates really as close to zero as you could possibly expect for Australia. And for some unknown reason, a bond buying program as well. Pretty much only because the Fed was doing it, so the little RBA thought they would do it as well. That bond buying program should stop immediately, but whether the RBA has the ability, the intestinal fortitude to do that or not remains to be seen. Most likely they'll say something similar to what the Fed has said, which is we will be discussing tapering. They should at least announce a reduction in bond buying and a program to eradicate it, but really the best economic policy by the RBA at the moment would be to completely eradicate it immediately. Equity markets look keen to continue to test the upside. The Australian market's going to be a little bit volatile around the RBA. It was looking keen, not so much as I'm recording this for you in lockdown Sydney. Did I mention that? But overall, equity markets look firm. I do think something to watch for is that currencies, Australian dollar, euro, sterling, all look to be having a bit of a reprieve and a bounce at the moment. That could continue for a few days to perhaps a week or two. And also gold is looking very interesting for a life of its own. We all know oil is through the roof. It's got to be getting to just about everyone who wants to buy oil has. So we'll see how the OPEC discussions go there between the UAE and Saudi particularly. But the other thing, I think just across the board, watch for commodities. Copper has a nice chart price action, resistance level there. If that starts to break to the upside, it could get a run on. If it doesn't break through in the next 48 hours, it's probably not going to. Overall, equities still look firm. Post 4th of July in the US, we're likely to see some further strength. Clifford Bennett, Chief Economist, ACY Securities. Thank you.